We have 100% organic product lines that span billion-dollar industries. I mean, detox tea. You know, you hear about detox tea and detoxing all over the place nowadays, on the radio, on TV, you know, in the store. People are looking for ways to detox, you know, buying all kinds of pills and potions and stuff like that. So, you know, we had the 100% plant-based detox tea, coffee, medicinal mushrooms, performance enhancers, emu oil products, superfood drinks, weight control, and skincare. The Te Divina Detox Tea is made up of 12 different medicinal herbs and mushrooms. All right. And so one pack make a gallon. 1 gallon lasts for 6 days. You drink 2 8-ounce cups a day, and you begin feeling the benefits of the herbs within 24 to 48 hours. I'm telling you, it blows you away, literally blows you away, right? When you first feel it, it's like, whoa, what was that? And it makes you look back. I don't know. Before I started drinking this tea, I never, ever looked in the toilet to examine what was going on. But when I started drinking this tea, it made me want to look to see, wow, you know, you begin to see different stuff, different parasites, different mucus, different stuff you can just notice that's in your waist. Imagine being able to know that you got that out of you, right? So it cleans your blood, liver, kidneys, colon, intestines, which will explain why so many people are having incredible, mind-blowing health benefits just from drinking the detox tea alone. This detox tea will not stay in your house at all, because it's something that once you get it in your body, once you start noticing the changes, you become addicted to being healthy. I am addicted to healthy habits at this point. I'm addicted to drinking water because of this detox tea. Because now, since I drink it so much, things with sugar is too sweet. Too much salt, I can feel it. I can feel the bad stuff. So imagine that, you know, and so many other testimonies that come about because of that Te Divina detox tea. And so, you know, a lot of people look at the detox tea and say, well, I see people losing weight. Guess what? We have up to 20 pounds of waste and toxins sitting inside of our body. And that is why all of the most health issues, I'll say, starts from the gut, because it's compounded inside of your body. So when you purge your body and you get rid of those 20 pounds of waste and toxins, and maybe 5 and maybe 10, I've had it up to 30. People have lost up to 30 pounds just drinking the detox tea alone because of what was sitting inside of their gut. Right. But then if you're somebody who needs to lose 30 plus pounds, and you are prepared to have the lifestyle that it takes, because 90% of weight loss comes from the kitchen. You can't just take something magical and just think the weight is going to fall off. Okay. You have to watch what you eat, because what you put inside of you is what your body becomes. However, the weight control system that we have is designed to support you if you feel hungry a lot, an appetite suppressant. If you have a metabolism issue, we have metabolism support. If you have low energy, we have energy boost. If you find yourself having cheat days and you don't want to get rid of your cheat days, we have cheat capsules. Okay, let me explain. The cheat will make the carb turn into a gel inside of your body so that you can purge the carb out of your body within 4 to 6 hours. You literally feel the release. It feels so good, like literally weight has been pushed out of you when you feel it. Okay, Ignite helps with digestion. Sleep and Lose help you to sleep better at night, so that way you're not finding yourself sitting up watching TV snacking, because you actually can go to sleep and sleep through the night, and it's an ingredient in it that helps with your metabolism while you're asleep. So these are to support the lifestyle that you are prepared to have, as this being January 1st, 2020. With your 2020 vision, you have goals that you are about to embark on with the mindset of getting it done. So when you create that habit, right, when you create that determination, these will support the new lifestyle that you are ready to pursue. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to go ahead and open up this call for a testimony or two. Can I get at least 1 or 2 people to scream out what the product has done for them so far. See, Crystal, you're on here. If you're at a place at work where you can unmute yourself, can you just unmute your line and just tell us about how you experienced the detox tea? Miss Angie, Miss Linda.
Yes, hi. Can you hear me?
Aisha, how are you?
I hear y'all. Thank you. So let's do this. Miss Linda, you unmuted first.
Yes,
Can I
I
get you? And
can.
then Miss Angela, I would love to hear from you next.
Okay, yes, the tea has helped me tremendously. I am so glad.
Right now, the detox tea is the
Oh, I'm
bomb,
sorry. She
right?
didn't hear me.
I
Hey, Miss
love it so much.
Angela.
I have lost weight from my belly fat. I love the way I look.
Yes, yes, yes. How long did it take you
I
to lose
love the
it?
way I look. I love my look. And trust me, because of the way I look now, people now walk up to me and say, "Hey, I like your dress. I like your outfit." And I will normally say, "Oh, it's the detox tea." And I walk with a before picture. I laminate a before picture where I walk with. And guess what? I just showed
That's
it to
right.
people who I think is overweight and have this big belly. I just showed them my before picture and said, "Look at me now." So this is how I sell my tea really fast.
Yes. That's such a good idea. Maybe I should laminate a couple pictures and put them in the car. Thank you. And so I want you to know, Miss Linda, Miss
Yeah,
Angela,
man, you laminate your before picture.
I have not. I definitely can. I should. So I want to just share with y'all that Miss Angela is in
Breaking
Jamaica.
up.
So the network is probably lagging, and that's why you two overlapped each other when you were talking because of the network. From this being such an international call, we have people in other countries that are on here with us. So Miss Linda, I hope you don't mind unmuting yourself and sharing your testimony.
Yes, and thank you, Angela, for that beautiful idea. I love that, to laminate a picture. I think I'm going to do that as well. But
Okay.
yes, I do. I love the tea. It took me off my blood pressure medication. It helped me with my anxiety. It is still helping me with that. And this is in a short period, like less than 2 months of coming
Wow.
off my blood pressure medication. Have lost some weight, still losing weight. I compare it to a colonic because I had just had a colonic done in a 3 series part, and I didn't even go for the 3rd series because a colonic is supposed to take your stomach down, and I noticed that it didn't do that for me. I'm only speaking for me in the 2nd series, and by that time I was introduced to the tea, and it took my stomach down tremendously that I didn't even go back for the 3rd series
Wow.
of the colonic. And I was seeing the same results of when, the bowel movements coming out, the real dark black, stuff that had been in my colon for extremely a long period of time. So like you were speaking about looking back, I'm always looking back. I just got to look back at it to see, I just get a pleasure out of just seeing what's coming out of me. So it has done wonders, and that's how I sell my tea. And right now, I'm just selling it to family members, trying to get them together. I'm talking about it to everybody, but I'm really getting my sales from family members, pushing it to my family, trying to get them to really get it together. When I'm working all over, but when I went back to my job, because I work from home, I didn't have to say anything. Everybody noticed and started hitting me up on Facebook, asking me about, what I was doing, asking me about the tea and everything. So that's how I also make my money, by people that I know not saying anything. They see the results, The tea sells itself. For those that don't know you, they see the before and after. You don't really have to come on strong to people. Either they want it or they don't. Like you said, when you start really working and showing that, hey, this is the before, this is the after, people automatically want to know, what are you doing? What are you doing to get yourself together? And when you tell them there's no caffeine, it's none of that, it's all organic, I feel great. I'm not sluggish anymore. I have energy. I'm doing a trillion things and still trying to work this tea. And I feel absolutely great.
Yes, thank you so much for sharing that. Thank you. And like what you're saying, I always tell people that at first you'll feel it. Like in the first 48 hours, you'll feel it. And then within the first 3 to 5 days, you'll see it. And then by the second week, people will see it and they'll be asking, what is that? What are you doing? What are you doing? You look so good. Your skin looks so good. You're losing weight. So it's exciting.